Don't like the light so much? Or what? What's going on? You were talking to me. What are you going to tell me? Tell me about the stinky cheese. Tell it. First off, let me kick you in the face.
You see me, Dad.
I had some in my eye.
You mad, Griffey?
Don't be mad. Get happy. Oh, baby.
Should we try floor time? He'll scream first.
It was nice. Till just now. I want to try on the floor times. So warm.
I know. That's why I turned the AC on.
Come on, Bebo.
Don't cry, Bebo. Bebo, I know at first you'll think, where is everything? What's happening? I don't want it.
There we go. The friends! The birdie friends have come back.
Do you like birds?
Are you gonna be a birdie man?
Do you like birds, Griffey?
Are we gonna call you a bird? What's up,
There's
little
your
bird?
owl.
Little bird.
That's your first word.
G-bird. Ow.
It's your first word, Bubba.
Ow. Ow.
Tell Mommy. Hi. You have milks in the corner of your mouth. It's dirty.
That's for later, Mom.
Yeah? Tell us something. Are you upset? You're in between, aren't you? You're an in-between place.
Oh, goodness gracious. Look at that face.
Griffey, what's wrong?
Oh. Oh.
You make it because so Mommy doesn't know what to do, because it's playtime now. And then... Is that your owl? It's your owl. Says, Dad, I was on Skip Hop and I was kicking that owl and kicking that owl. What's going on, bud? Why upset, sorta? You're gonna...
What's going on? Can you tell us? Can you tell us what's happening?
Ow. Oh, Bubba.
Who do you think?
You can get that hand there. You can do it, I know.
Like put that hand in their mouth?
Says, I want to. I'm just having a little trouble figuring it out. Hi. Hi, Griffey. You mad because Mommy woke you up? But it's all right.
Hands.
You can kick.
Hands are chilly.
You can kick. You're a sleepy monkey.
You are, I do. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? We're all sleepy. We should all just take the day off and go to sleep.
Will you put us to bed, Griffey?
Ugh.
Will you rock us and put us to bed, Bub? Somebody's here.
I'm gonna get it.
Daddy's going to get it. Griffey.
Hello.
Might be bagels. Griffey. Griffey. Where's Mommy?
The cash is still... Oh, thanks.
Griffey, what do you see? Are you chilling? What's going on? You want to tell Mommy? Here's Mommy. Hi, Bubble. Hi, Bubble. You have milks. Uh-oh. You're gonna lose it? You're gonna lose your cool? Hi. Hi. Look right here. Oh no, what? You want a binker maybe? Should mommy get a binky? You get sick of mommy asking you questions? Say ow. Ow. What's wrong? What's wrong? Dad, could you give us a binky?
Yep. Binky. Still in.
Let's see.
That's a bunk.
Want this? You want it? Oh, tell me. Yes or no?
Just give me the simple answer.
You want it? Yeah? Ooh. How's that, mister? Here we go. Oh, you're caught on the camera. You're kicking it. You're kicking the camera. That got a little wild. That's getting a little wild, huh? That's gonna make us sick when we have to watch it. You got caught on this camera cord. Tell me. What? Ow. Ow. Sure, babe. Okay. Say bye-bye then. You say bye-bye. Later. Griffey out.
Move on out.